Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'll show you two different ways of blocking the number. The first one requires entering the contact list. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now in the contact settings we have to find block numbers. Let's tap on it. And here we've got the information that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. So just tap on block. And as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, which means that this number has been blocked successfully. You can unblock it the same way, right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, which will enter in the second way of blocking the number. So here, it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recent or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general list, we have to tap on blocked numbers, and this is our blacklist, and I believe that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. Here you can also tap on add a number and enter it manually, so you don't have to have it saved on your contact list. Just tap on block and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. You can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by using the switcher at the top to activate this option and tap on it again to turn it off. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.